if you want to change from a single to a dual cam system, here's what you need to do. First, you need to adjust it to your own size. So that will be different depending on who you are and where you want to carry your left side holster. Then you're going to close it like this, okay? So the pad is completely secure. So first you take the second holster. So you can see it has a back here. The holster is already attached to the pad, okay? You take the two ears of the pad and you collect them together like this. And then you insert the clip right into the gap that you have in the belt. Make sure that the clip is actually inserted into the gap on the belt. You might have to use some force with this. And then you set the belt down and you make sure that it's secure right in here. So after the first ear is set in between the two layers, you fold the other ear. You actually take that part of the belt off, you peel it off, and then you reinsert that ear right back in, again between the outer webbing and the rest of the belt. The only thing that you have left over to do, if you have any left over here, make sure you have the elastic and you're done.